Ay, nako. But anyway, and let's move on to the next part of the
Exciting
interview. Oo, maglalaro tayo.
Maghahabulan tayo dito sa booth.
Hide and seek, go.
Hide and seek.
Okay, now, so this is a game called Sing the Song Challenge. So basically, magbibigay lang kami sa'yo ng description ng song.
Okay.
Tapos, you'll sing a part of it. Okay, so first song. Sing the song that best describes your emotions right now.
Because I'm happy, clap along. If you feel like a room without a roof.
Happy. Diba?
Gusto ko yung background vocal.
Sing the last song you listened to.
Ooh. So there's this new K-pop group. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. New Jeans. Yung name. The last song I listened to was Hype Boy. So, Malibayan, Nukiba, take him to the sky. You know I hype you, boy.
진짜 한지로 거 한국 몽골어 진짜 한지데 저 걸어놓아요, 배.
Wait lang, anong bansa?
wala dasal lang talaga yun.
Dinadasalan ka na niya.
Yeah, ito very interesting to. Next, Robin.
Sing the song that reminds you of your childhood.
My ay,
Aww.
Okay. I need you like water, like breath, like rain. I need you like... I don't know the rest of the lyrics, but yeah. I Need You by Leanne Rimes. My mom would play that all the time.
Ito. Sing your favorite Beyonce song.
Oh, hirap. Can I mash up, ganun? Halftime performance.
Kahit sayaw na, di ba kasasama tayo?
Let's do this. Oh, may ganun pala. Oo. Ready si Bey.
I love you like EXO. You love me like EXO. You love me, boy, EXO. You love me, boy, EXO. All that I see, give you everything. Baby, love me lights out. EXO, Beyonce.
Sample pa lang yung Robin. Wala talaga.
Aagaw niya si Beyonce. I love the melody. Yeah. Now, next, sing a song by a band you wish are still together.
Sad, Panic at the Disco. But I can't think of
Sad.
Ano yung song by Panic at the Disco? If you love me, let me go. If you love me, let me go. Na 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 na.
Ay, naku, mga humming ni Bey talaga. Nananakit ka, Bey. Ano ka ba? Sing a song you love but used to hate.
Wala eh. I
Used to hate, pero ay, gusto ko na siya.
Oh, okay, wait. Actually, I think there's. The song that, from TikTok TikTok song. Small town boy in a big arcade. And then I did to a losing game. Ooh, all I know, loving you is a losing. Lahat hugot, no?
Oo nga.
Losing game talaga.
Oo, natutulala na talaga.
Napapaghalataan si Bey.
Totoo yan.
Sorry.
Ito, very interesting to.
Oh, happy song.
I think sa'yo to. Dapat sa'yo
Actually,
manggaling tong tanong na to.
Excited ako. Sing the song that you would love played at your wedding.
Ayan.
Ay, wait. Easy.
Handa na siya!
Handang-handa na,
Ready na siya!
Wala noon hanggang ngayon. Wala na yan. Alhamdulillah. Ikaw at ako.
Okay, alam
Ikaw ba?
na.
Ikaw, pag sa wedding mo.
Bakit pa ako?
Ikaw, ako pag sa wedding ko. Pag sa wedding ko.
Hypothetical. Sample.
Bahay kubo.
Yeah, ganun pala. Ako gusto ko kapag sa wedding ko, tara para lahat ma-inspire magpakasal na rin. Oo, tara let's pala. Diba? Ayan, Bey, I hope nag-enjoy ka sa mini warm-up